Hi, Peter here, and as you know, I am a skeptic, and I think there's a possibility that my mind might be changed. Because guess what came in the mail today? Well, it actually came in the mail. I'm going to show you, I got the PlasticDrone. Yes. I got a box that says PlasticDrone on it. And I'm going to unbox it. I'm going to do a technical review. And then I'm going to do a stress test on it. Just for you. I hope they make me a believer. Because I didn't think this was ever going to happen. Well, I got a box out there that says it may. Let's go check it out. Looking at this box, look at the quality. It's absolutely beautiful. It's got a barcode there. Well, it's a QR code, sort of. Probably to get help with the unboxing. It's sealed at both ends, which you normally don't see. It's absolutely fantastic. It comes in a plain box so that nobody steals it. There's just something very satisfying when you slice open that tape. Beautifully made. Let's see what's inside. Oh my. It even packed with the silica packet. Don't eat that, by the way. I'm blown away. Absolutely blown away. I don't know if you can see. Here, let me show it to you. PlasticDrone XXX. That's the one to get. I've got no idea what's in here, but I think it's time to find out. Here we go. Ooh. Listen to that snap. It's like a magnetic latch. Maybe you can see it better this way. Oh, it just snaps in there. Ooh. This is why things take time. Let's open it up. Oh my gosh. There aren't words. There really aren't words. I can't believe I'm looking at this right now. 4 years and it's in my hands. Unbelievable. Perfectly arranged. Well, actually, oh yeah, it's 2 and 2, so there's a little bit bigger gap in the middle. But oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. It's stunning. Absolutely stunning. Oh my. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. This is the head of a pen, just so you have a relative size comparison. Now we're going to use tweezers to pick this up because you need to handle this carefully. Look at the detail. Look at that printing. And look at that paint. That screw is just absolutely perfectly done. Well, let's get in and break it down. We're just going to use a couple of tools here. We're going to use a Leatherman folding pliers and a green pair of folding pliers. You can see that by squeezing that, I squeeze both together. And by opening this, it opens up. So that's what we need. Now we're going to take this part here. That needs to connect to there. And then this part needs to connect to here. So let's do this. Now this can be tricky in some cases, but I'm doing it so that you don't have to. So first, let's grab the top and let's open our pliers and grab that other piece. Oh, look at effortlessly that thing came off. Well, just so you know, that washer, that's no slouch either. They took some time in making this. This is a precision part. You're just not going to find in your everyday hardware store. This is beauty. Here's an industry standard hex tool, 2.5 millimeter. We're going to see how well it fits. Oh man, look at this thing going in. Look at, oh, it just went straight in. That is precision as we know it. These things are so well machined. Oh, it dropped down. It dropped down so effortlessly. Oh my gosh. This is why things take time to machine something this good. So there's no resistance whatsoever. That's why you pay for good things. Oh, beautiful. Now let's get into it, the stress test. Almost made it. Almost made it. Now let's do that washer. Ooh. Almost a 5. Almost a 5. Let's try that again. Oh, it's creeping up. It's creeping up. Oh, almost made it. That is almost sheer perfection. Unbelievable. Well, if that doesn't convince you that the plastic drone is real, nothing will. It convinced me. And I'm one of their biggest skeptics. Yeah, you saw that last video. I was definitely down on it. But now, the plastic drone is coming. Well, parts of it came. Not the whole thing, just that one box. I know... I think that there will be more to come, but I can also see why something like this took 4 years before I got it, because it's been refined and honed to unbelievable workmanship. I wish I could transmit how I feel to you, because it's darn right infectious. So, this has to be made in the United States, or Canada. It could be made in Canada too. The craftsmanship that's involved here, it's got to be one of those two countries. So let's limit it to North America, let's say. And with that in mind, it's coming. I know. I think it's coming. I think it's coming. I hope it's coming. Please come. Leave a like if you like what you saw. If not, don't like it. But go ahead and leave a comment anyway, either way. Once again, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.